Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Matt Get the Hands back to you with another video. And as you can tell, your boy need a haircut. Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Bruh, look at that hairline. Guys, where would you start with this hairline? Would you start here? Would you start here? Because you know you gotta... Boy, if you don't get... Peep the Bentley. Peep the Bentley. You see it? Honestly, guys, I'm actually on the way to go get a haircut. It's my day off from the shop. I booked an appointment with YoFonzz. Yes, sir. Mr. Pompadour Wavy Johnny Bravo himself. Your boy YoFonzz. And we might have a surprise for you guys. I'm actually going to pick up something from the Tomb 45 warehouse. And we're going to be able to use it in the video. Stay tuned. I might even just take out to the warehouse. I'm sure y'all seen it on Bazio's channel. But I've never been there, so that's dope. Let's go check it out. We are now at the official Tomb 45 warehouse. Got a whole pallet. Look at that. It's dope to see this in person. I've seen it on Bazio's vlogs and videos, but to actually come in person and see this is dope, man. It's dope to see how far Tomb 45 has come, and it's dope to be a part of it, most definitely. Y'all want to see Bazio's car?
Yo, Bazio, who gave you the keys, bro? Now we're gonna end up repairing this thing every other week. You should have never gotten on it. Now the repair bills are gonna jump. If y'all don't already know, every time Bazio gets a car, it starts breaking. You can give them the most reliable car in the world, it just starts breaking over and over.
I bet this has AC though.
It's got more AC than his car right now.
All right, we got the goodies. About to go get a haircut with Bonds. Hopefully he uses them. I don't know if he uses Andis Master, but we're gonna check it out. Masters. Let's go to the shop. 245, baby. The man. You came early? You're not working today? The legend. No, but I got this. The gimbal? Look. When did you get it? Look. Oh, snap. And guess what? No way. What? Guess what? What? You cut with them.
Hell no.
You're cutting with them.
No.
Yes, you are.
Bro, I'm not
cutting my hair.
No.
With these.
Oh, and you chose to get the freaking 30-minute slot.
And bro, that's why you had it. I was gonna do a haircut and beard appointment, but you know I don't got no facial hair. Number one, and two, you didn't have that opening, sir.
Oh yeah. So the next, plan B was to
do 30 minutes and put you behind on your appointments. So you'll be alright.
All right, we'll figure it out.
Good.
By the way, there's a light right there.
I'm gonna get my haircut, man. It's been a long morning. My haircut was at 12:30. It's 1:16. Barbers these days, man. Never on time. Never on time.
First of all, nobody tell you to book a 30-minute slot for a video production.
Look, I needed the blessing, bro. I needed the Fonz cut. I know I gave you 30 minutes, but luckily the client called you and it canceled, right? So now you got a little more time.
Still don't matter. I'm still behind.
Hey, make sure you spray your clippers.
Well,
sanitize them.
If you didn't just focus on yourself right now, you would have noticed that I did it.
Boy, if you don't get... Start the first initial guidelines, sir. Make sure you're not that client that wears AirPods in their ears while getting a haircut.
That bothers you as a barber?
Not that it bothers me, but right now, like how you were trying to fold down my ear, and I feel like it's about to pop off. And plus, there's no reason to have them on.
I mean, I could always. Hell yeah, there's a reason. You could.
can't answer a phone call.
You could be catching up on a Sopranos show.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
While getting a haircut.
Or listening to a podcast.
You want it closed or open?
They close it. So these are the cordless masters right here. How does it feel with cutting through both?
Bro,
This is number. This is a number 2 right here. Yeah, you hear the crunch?
You hear the crunch. Wow.
Right into the lever all the way open. Do it a ball fade, by the way, without the shaver, because I break out.
Yeah, me too.
You know what? I've used a bronze shaver, and I don't break out as much, but I still kind of like get a little bit of pimples. How does the weight feel?
Feels good.
Does it feel like as if it's corded?
No.
No, it doesn't have too much weight.
I'm so used. No, they're not.
And that's without the power clip. 245, and the power clip really doesn't have too much weight on it anyways. I mean, what, you've been cutting hair now, licensed for how long?
3 years.
3 years. I mean, y'all know who this guy is right here, man.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. They know it's about you, Fonz. They knows about you. I told this dude for the
Not
longest.
cutting hair,
like, yeah, not cutting hair, but I've been trying to get you to cut my hair for the longest. And
Yeah,
you
you
just...
definitely chosen a better day. For sure.
And I'm assuming you're using a double magnetic guard, right? Not the single. The single magnetic guards, I can't mess with. They feel a lot cheaper. I think Andis did bad going backwards with a single magnetic
But
guard.
they did it because of the Andis.
I thought they were trying to cut costs and just have one magnet on there.
No.
Because one extra magnet was
that
50 cents
too,
extra.
Yeah, but I think they were the first ones they released. Cordless.
When's the last time you picked up a pair of masters?
It's been at least a year and a half.
A year and a half. Now you're cutting with the cordless ones, bro.
Yeah, bro. They feel pretty nice. I'm not used to the body frame because I'm used to the curves, the grooves, and everything that the masters have. I mean the magic clips have.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm a wall guy myself. When I first started cutting hair, I picked up a Wall Senior, the black one with the 5 red stars on it. So you got it right there. That was my first clipper I ever picked up, and a lot of the barber students when I was in barber college were using the masters at the time, but I never got into it. I just felt like it was always heavy, and then I just fell in love with using a wall system. Now comes the fun part. You ready for this? You ready for this, Fonz? What hitters you using for the lineup?
Dre's hitters. Dude, I always forget how good this stock is.
Tennessee Barber Expo Edition 245 Shave Gel.
Are you gonna make it to that?
Orange. I will not be there. Tyler, I'm sorry, bro. I already apologized before. Cannot make it. If I can last minute, then I'll be out there. But as of right now, I got vacation coming up, man. Pockets are kind of, you know what I'm saying? I couldn't make it, bro.
I'm not used to it.
Yo, you gotta apply shave gel with my edge up, bro.
Oh yeah.
My God,
You got that sensitive
if you
skin
went,
too, around
well,
there.
nah, if you went against the grain, bro, with this, you're gonna hear that. How do you feel about my hairline so far? Well, not so far, but how do you feel about my hairline?
This is just true Mexican hairline, ladies and gentlemen. I'm trying to decide. Do not have an Aztec hairline anymore.
Yeah.
At all. This is definitely an American hairline. So, government, he does not need a green card. He has his hairline now.
It's Jesus Christ.
I'm staying out of that.
Okay, so they're gonna ask, what is your thoughts on the cordless masters?
They hit. I like that I could hear all the hair being cut because that's really what defines a master, besides the fact that it's such a classic clipper. Obviously you have the grooves. The lever play is the same as the original corded master clipper. The weight is much lighter. And again, I just love the sound. That's such a classic sound. So the fact that they were able to maintain it is great. But $300?
$1 million.
300 American dollars.
300 American dollars?
American dollars. Plus tax.
Dog. You gotta make life decisions as a barber when you buy this. Right, Nate? Nate, you thinking about how you gonna save this?
What do you think? What do you think? 300?
Doesn't matter what I think.
300? You buying?
Hey, don't be that guy.
You buying?
I'll buy it. I'll buy
You
it.
buy 'em?
There's a little bit of time.
How about y'all go half, 150 each? Now you get to share them.
I don't like sharing.
No?
Honestly though, I haven't bought clippers in a while. I would buy these.
Yeah.
I would definitely buy these. I would buy these. For sure.
You see 'em? Alright, so your boy just got blessed by YoFonzz, man. First time ever him cutting my hair. And it's on video, so hopefully y'all enjoy the content. I mean, look at the haircut.
I like that hair. Crunch.
Fresh, blurry, with the cordless masters, one and only. I gotta give these back to Danny. Tombdoc, thank you for letting us use this clipper. Thank you for letting us create content for a YouTube channel. We appreciate it. Gotta give him back. But guys, I mean, you heard it here first from YoFonzz himself. Nate said he'll buy them. Fonz said he'll get them. He hasn't bought a pair of clippers in a long time. And to be honest with you guys, I would say that's probably a day in the shop. You can buy your clipper.